You are not lazy, it's just that your brain is overloaded. Just think, if 50 apps are open at the same time on your phone and notifications keep coming in and the storage is completely full, then what happens? The phone doesn't get damaged, it just becomes slow. Our brain works in exactly the same way. As soon as we wake up in the morning, it's Instagram, Reels, YouTube Shorts, emails, and who knows what else. Our whole day goes like this. Our attention gets pulled to something new every few seconds, and the brain has to process new information each time. Let's understand this in simple language. Imagine a teacher is teaching in front of you, and every 10 seconds someone comes by and says something to you before leaving. Will you really be able to listen to that or focus on it? No, right? Science says that our brain is constantly switching tasks, meaning it takes extra energy for it to leave one task and move to another. And that's the reason why even before the day ends, it's not that we get physically tired, but we get mentally exhausted first, and then we feel like we lack discipline. But the main problem isn't discipline, it's attention overload. The solution isn't motivation. The solution is to give your brain a little breathing space every day. Not much, just 30 to 60 minutes. Do one task continuously without any notifications. At least 1 hour before going to bed, keep your mobile away from you and try to reduce the habit of picking up and using your phone during every free moment. Remember, success doesn't come from working harder, but success comes when your brain is able to work with deep focus on one thing. Your brain is not broken, it's overloaded. Give it less noise and it will help you think better.